Theta, USD medium-term support in a real sense remained at 92 cents, which generally is very huge. The truly current exchanging volume of Theta organization basically is at $41,303,434, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Theta organization basically is as of now esteemed at $1.10 bull control Theta's genuinely current cost activity, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The 4th of April 2023. In this article we will walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for the following week and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these often explicitly sought clarification on some things. What most certainly is momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. Fundamentally is Theta a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, which by and large is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Theta specialized examination, in a real sense let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situation, exhibiting how the fundamentally current exchanging volume of Theta organization explicitly is at $41,303,434 in a genuinely huge manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1.82,407,897,617 in an unpretentious manner. The kind of complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $52,294,939,930, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33% incredibly, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a downfall of 0.12%. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03. Following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span in a genuinely huge manner. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 2.13 and is of now exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting how the extremely complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $52,294,939,930. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how the 4th of April 2023. In this article we will in a real sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense clarified something. What essentially is transient cost expectation for Theta organization. Really is Theta an especially wise interest in an especially significant manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an essentially descending bearing for pretty present moment, showing how Theta, USD medium-term support in a real sense remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, an essentially broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they generally thought. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially significant way. Support especially is a level at which purchasers essentially become considerably more certainly dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, which for the most part is very critical. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants in a real sense move especially dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Theta organization truly is as of now esteemed at $1.10 bull control Theta's most certainly current cost activities in a really significant manner. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization sort of is at $1.10, up 4.51% in the for the most part beyond 24 hours and really has a value change of 13.26% throughout the week in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 41,303,434.00 US dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $1,102,036,862 USD. Further appearance how one-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 41,303,434.00 US dollars, while extremely all-out market cap came to $1,102,036,862 USD in an exceptionally significant manner. There in a real sense are very nearly 1 billion by and large are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a downfall of 0.12% in an unobtrusive manner. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside a very everyday time period in a real sense made sense of underneath, exhibiting how which all things considered brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, showing how which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, which basically is very critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving fundamentally normal combination and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving commonly normal and remarkable moving essentially normal to especially examine the future development of the Theta organization, showing how Theta USD medium-term support truly remained at 92 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. The Theta USD moving extremely normal union and dissimilarity marker in every practical sense is showing a present moment generally sell certainly signal as the MACD line really is moving beneath commonly signal line, which sort of means generally bears for the most part are overwhelming on the lookout. Essentially further appearance how similarly obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors truly become move truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Theta organization in a real sense is by and by esteemed at $1.10 bull control Theta's sort of current cost activities, which in every practical sense is very huge. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and really is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, showing that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how the 4th of April 2023. In this article we will generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and by and large attempt to answer these regularly basically got clarification on some pressing issues. What especially is transient cost expectation for Theta organization, for the most part is Theta a wise interest in a sort of enormous manner. While Theta's Williams %R marker basically is at 53.763 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange extremely signal in a real sense is genuinely conceivable at this reach, which certainly shows that as of now, and in every practical sense, general genuinely bad plunge can being seen